Hello and welcome to Basic Tool Tech for students, teachers, and maths education. This video is an introduction to fractions. This is part 3 of our basic math series. If you have not subscribed, please do so you can get notifications each time we post new videos. So let's go. A fraction shows parts of a whole. It can be a portion or a section of any quantity out of a whole. For example, if we decide to divide a pizza into 8 equal parts, now if we want to express a selected part of the pizza, we can express it as 1 over 8, which means that out of 8 equal parts, we are referring to just one part. A fraction has a numerator and a denominator which are separated by a fractional bar. For example, 2 over 5. This is a fraction. 2 is the numerator, while 5 is the denominator. This line is the fractional bar. Let's look at the different types of fraction. The first one is proper fraction. A proper fraction is one in which the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, we have 2 over 7. 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator, and 2 is less than 7. This is a proper fraction. Our next example is 5 over 8. 5, which is the numerator, is less than 8, which is the denominator. So next fraction is improper fraction. These are fractions in which the numerator is more than or equal to its denominator. For example, 8 over 5. This is an improper fraction because 8, which is the numerator, is greater than 5, which is the denominator. Our next example is 4 over 3. 4 is the numerator and is greater than 3, which is the denominator. Unit fractions. These are fractions in which the numerator is 1. For example, we have 1 over 4, 1 over 5, 1 over 10. These are unit fractions because the numerator is 1. Now, unit fractions can also be a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. We have the mixed fractions. This is a fraction that has a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, we have one whole number, 3 over 4. 1 is the whole number, while 3 over 4 is the proper fraction. Our next example is 3 whole number, 4 over 7. 3 is the whole number, while 4 over 7 is the proper fraction. These are examples of a mixed fraction. Next, we have the like and unlike fractions. A like fraction is a fraction that have the same denominator. An example of like fractions are 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. These are like fractions. Also, we have 4 over 7 and 3 over 7. These are also like fraction, having the same denominator. Why and unlike fractions are fractions that have different denominator. For example, 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. These are unlike fractions because they have different denominators. We shall stop at this point today. In our next video, we shall be looking at equivalent fractions. So don't miss that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.